With the death of the R1 comes the environmentally friendlier Yamaha R9. Same CP3 triple that we're used to in MT-09s, 119 horsepower, so nothing's changed there. Nice if you're moving up from an MT-07 into something a bit more sporty. Nice if you're moving up from a Yamaha R7 looking for something more sporty. You can have yourself a Yamaha triple. And this will bring a lot of rider enjoyment. With typical Yamaha build quality and that bulletproof CP3 engine. They really are amazing what you can do with 119 horsepower. I have the XSR 900. Debbie has an MT-09 SP, so both the same engine as this bike. And what we get up to, or what we can get up to, is crazy. So having a more aggressive stance, and that display is way better than anything I've got. Look at that. I want that display on my bike. Looks like I'm going to have to upgrade. Do we prefer it in black? Look. Stealth. I look at it and I go, GSXR in black? Just had that little vibe to it. 1,750 quid, a Krapovich exhaust with catalytic converter and all the accoutrements of modern eco-ness. I absolutely would buy the bike with a standard exhaust, get an aftermarket exhaust, get the bike mapped. Woo. What do you think, black or blue? They look great together. I'm still keeping my R1 though. At least Yamaha have done something with all of the way emissions are these days. At least they've done something for the sports bike community, and that is cool. Wicked. Quick bikes.